Thanks for tuning in. As you can see in front of you, today we're going to talk about Spectracide weed and grass killer with extended control. I'm going to show you how I use it and pretty much how it's supposed to be used and what is it used for. So stay tuned. Alright, so this is the Spectracide weed and grass killer with extended control. This actually this bottle here is actually the older formula. The new formula got they changed the bottle. The bottle is black, and I believe it also prevents the weeds up to 5 months. This one only does 3 months. I had this bottle for about a year, and it lasts me a while. It's a gallon container. It's a gallon, 1 gallon ready to use container at that. Basically you just it comes with your spray nozzle, and then you just basically push the wire down in the center here, and then you just tighten it by turning it to the right. I already been using it, like I said, so I pretty much that's pretty much it. Let's take a look at the back of it. Those are all the list of weeds and grass that it actually does kill. And it kills a lot of the popular stuff that people see, like annual bluegrass, chickweeds, crabgrass. It doesn't say anything about nutsedge. I'm not sure about that. That's the tricky weed. But like I said, you don't want to spray this on your lawn. This is a non-selective herbicide, so it'll kill every green leaf it touches. So if you love your lawn, keep this away from your lawn. So but as you see, look, prevents weeds up to 3 months. It rainproofs in 15 minutes, and it's supposed to kill down to the roots. So I guess I pretty much use this Spectracide about twice a year in my mulch beds, and it actually does a good job of keeping the weeds out. This is non-sponsored product. This is a product I purchased. I just went in the store, purchased this, so they're not sponsoring anything. Like it says here on the back, for the best results, use it during warm and sunny weather above 60 degrees. Today is 65 degrees, so I'm going to spray down my mulch beds. It kills, see what it says here? It kills all types of weeds and grasses down to the roots. So do not use it on the lawn once again. And that's pretty much it. It's fast acting. It says it'll start visually. You'll see it in 3 hours. The product working in 3 hours. Really is like 2 days, I want to say. I'm sorry about the camera angles. I'm shooting this by myself, so. But like I said, you'll see results in about 2 days. You might see it browning in 3 hours. That's just the chemical. It's I forgot what ingredient inside this bottle that it shows. It basically shows it gives the visual effect of the weeds dying, but they're not really dying. It's just like basically stripping it of its greenish color. So you'll see results in about a day or two. But I want to give you a quick demonstration on how to use it. Always shake your bottles up. Always use gloves. That's number one. Make sure you use gloves. This product is still a chemical, and you don't want to get this all over your hands. So, but pretty much you shake the bottle up. Actually, I got the nozzle on stream right now, and you just want to soak down the. See, just like this. You just want to soak down the area that you want to kill the plant. And don't be afraid to actually soak it down. Like I said, it rainproofs in 15 minutes, so you won't really have any runoff. So you don't have to worry about it like running down into your lawn. The product actually when you spray it, it actually sticks onto the grass or the weeds, whatever you spray. So, but you also want to be careful. Like when you're getting on the edge here, you want to be careful. I'm gonna spray this part. I'm just gonna be careful not to actually get any on the lawn. So, and you just spray it around it. That's it. Soak it up. You can give it a nice generous squirt. And this is all I do before I lay down new mulch. And I'm actually gonna lay down new mulch later on today. So I just spray it down, let the product dry up, and then you're all set to go. You can actually start laying down your mulch, and that's pretty much it. See how I'm spraying here? Just spray it down. See, I don't like when the grass actually starts growing through my rocks and stuff like this. Like, see, the other half here is my grass, and then this is where I will lay my rocks down on my mulch. And you see how the grass is like coming over into the rock beds and stuff like that in the mulch. So you just take it and just spray it down like that. And it's pretty much, I do this every year, about twice a year. And it doesn't eliminate, I think it just pretty much eliminates the grass or the weeds for that season, because they end up growing back. Because I do this like every year, like I said, so it's not a permanent fix. Sorry about that. And you just spray it down. I can't even identify what kind of weed that is. I'll just spray it down also. And that's pretty much it. We're greening up. Today's a gorgeous day. We still haven't got any top growth yet, but we're on our way to getting that top growth. But like I said, this product is not a bad product. I'll put some more results and some more details about this product in the description. I'll actually probably post the new bottle and the new formula of this product. And that's pretty much it. Like I said, it's a non-selective herbicide, so don't spray your lawn down with this product once again. I don't know how many times I can emphasize that, because I don't want anyone to say that I helped them destroy their lawn. So keep this product away from your lawn. And that's pretty much it. Everything is self-explanatory about this product. And I think they actually guarantee that this product, yeah, it says kills the roots, money back guarantee. So if you buy this product and you're not satisfied with it, make sure you keep your receipt, and you can return it back to the store. I mean, that's pretty much it. They're basically guaranteed that this product will work. And this is like I said, this is the old formula. So you go ahead and get the new formula. It might be a little stronger ingredients, because if it does, this one does 3 months and that one does 5 months. So it's not bad at all. And I think it runs for maybe $8 or $9 when I bought this product. The new product might be about $10 now. So that's still not bad for a gallon of product, a gallon of pre-mixed product. So you get your spray nozzles. You get two settings. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like stream setting and then a fan setting. Yeah, so the fan setting, let's give a demonstration of the fan setting. Hold on, let's get this. See, it gives a wider spray angle there. And see, gotta keep it away from your plants, because this will kill my plants. But I do have to actually have to chop this plant up a little bit and trim it up, so I'm not too worried about that. But that's the fan. That's the fan spray, and then that's the stream spray. See? So that's pretty much it. Like, comment, subscribe to the video. We're gonna definitely have more content coming. Stay tuned. We're almost there.